Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Honda Pilot remote start. This convenient feature allows you to start your engine from a distance, perfect for warming up or cooling down your vehicle before you even step inside. Imagine a cold winter morning or a hot summer afternoon. Your Pilot can be ready and comfortable for you. We'll cover the simple steps to get your engine running with just a few button presses on your key fob. To begin, make sure your Honda Pilot is locked. Press the lock button on your key fob once. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button. This button typically has a circular arrow icon. Hold it down for at least 1 second. You'll see the parking lights flash 6 times, confirming that your engine has successfully started. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. There are a few important things to remember for optimal use. The remote start typically works within a range of about 100 feet, though this can vary with obstacles. Your Pilot's engine will run for 10 minutes after a remote start. If you need more time, you can repeat the process once to extend the run time for another 10 minutes, giving you a total of 20 minutes of engine operation before it automatically shuts off. When you're ready to enter your Honda Pilot after a remote start, simply unlock the doors using your key fob or the smart entry system. For safety, the engine will temporarily shut off as soon as any door is opened. To drive, just get in, press the brake pedal, and then press the push button start to restart the engine normally. You're now ready to enjoy your comfortable, preconditioned ride.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.